प्रश्न 7. Read the following extract carefully and answer the question given below. A new chapter has been added to a decade-long scientific quiz for water on Moon and instrument on Chandrayaan-1 known as Moon Mineralogy Mapper ham detected unmistable sinks of water molecules at many places on the surface of our celestial neighbor year before human set foot on the moon. Scientists conjectured that might be water there, but when samples of lunar rock and soil brought back by Apollo and astronomers were analyzed, the result dependent such hope and the moon appear to be into the word of one scientific paper and accidentally dry place the search of water on moon whenever received in the 1990 when two US spacecraft the Calculator and the lunar propulsor found evidence evidence uh, for what said be the water in for the ice in permanently solid chapter at the poles. Question: what have been detected by moon meteorology mapper? Answer: the unmistakable sinks of water many places have been detected by moon meteorology mapper. दूसरा, what does the Earth's cylinder Niagara denote? Answer: Sensible Niagara means something related to a sapper of sky. तीसरा, what have scientists speculated before man set foot on the moon? Answer: the scientific conjecture that there might be water in the moon before man set foot there. चौथा, what were their result to the analyze and lunar rocks brought back by astronomers? Answer: the lunar rock depend the hope of water in the moon. फिर पांचवा, when did search for water on the moon results? The results for the water was received in 1990. छठवा, where is the water likely to the found in the moon? Water was likely to be the found in the craters at the poles. आठवा, we write pieces of the flowing passage in one third of its original length and suggest is suitable little to eat. Peace and order are necessary not just in our own country but also at the international level if we are secure national program and development. The different countries in the world are coming closer today. The new faster means of transport and communications. Economically, they are become increasingly interdependent. If peace in distributed in part of a world, it have adverse effect in other part of the world is well. Nuclear weapons have already threatened the world with nuclear war. If the conflict and between different nations are not settled in time, they may in our own interest that the world is free of conflicts. If there are a- any, they must be settled appropriately and the peace should be restored. That is why an habit declared an establishment and of the international peace and understanding as objective of our current policy.